guys, and welcome back to the channel. Okay, today got a little bit of surprise for you guys. All right, so we got us a boat. That's exactly right. We have us a nice little John boat that we have rigged up ourselves. Got the trailer, got the seats, little 2.5 Nissan motor. Got the little seats that flip up. Bam, shaky lacky. It is a perfect boat for 2 to 3 people. This right here, we got our anchors, the rod holders. It's a pretty awesome little boat. Got a little lid here. There's a lid there. We got our Minn Kota trolling motor over here. Got the foot pedal. We got our sonar. We got everything we need on this little boat. That's right. We're going fishing on the John boat. The new and improved boat to the channel. Okay? This will be the first official video anyway where we have the boat in it. This will be the first video where you guys get to see our boat. And let's hope we can go catch some fish. I mean, come on. We got to be able to do something out here. I'm guessing the water temperature is probably going to be like around, I'd say close to 55 degrees and somewhere in there. But you never know. We might be able to get one. Let's see what we can do. We'll be seeing you guys at the lake. That sun came up, probably what it is. Alright guys, I got a fish. He's cold too. I cast it up in there 3 times. He never touched it, and then all of a sudden he swam off with it. That might be the dealio. You know, stay and just cast quite a few times on each dock. But sorry I didn't get the catch for you guys, but you know, things happen. But hey, that's the first one. Haha. There's Dad getting his cast in.
What's up?
Oh yeah. This is a good seat right here. It ain't leaning, is it?
Nope. No, it ain't.
Uh-oh.
Should have got to begin with.
Uh-oh.
You know?
Yep. Come here there, fishy. Oh, yeah. Yeah, baby. Same thing, Dad. I was just letting it sit there, and he just started swimming with it. I cast it over there 3 times. Again. Well, he's a little dinker, though. But it's a fish. Yeah, baby. That's 2 for the new boat. Uh-oh. Look at him. Oh, he got off. Oh, God. How did I do that? All right. Get you a couple casts up in there. I thought your line's straightened out there. Uh-oh. Look at my foot line, Dad. That is a good one. Oh! About a 2-pounder. Oh, man. Well, darn. Man, that was a good one, too. I caught 3 bass off that one tree. On my kayak. What time is it? No, okay. Did you see it? That sucker wore it out. Hit it about 50 times. You almost gotta kind of like cast straight out in front of you to get in the deep water. It's up on the bank where normally it's like 2 or 3 feet. Ain't nothing there. You gotta be kidding. Yeah. Yep. Well, that's a nice one. Oh yeah, boy. I think it is actually. God, he's cold. All right, finally.
You caught him out in the deeper stuff, though, didn't you?
I cast it out here. Remember what I said? I cast it straight out. I said, you almost got to cast straight out just to, you know, catch one. And I did. Yeah, boy. We got him. Yeah, I think that one's a keeper there. Thank you, sir. Oh. Okay. You have to be throwing the right stuff, too, you know. Oh, do you have one? Oh, man.
Well, I did. He hit it pretty good.
Was he running with it? I stopped, so you'll be able to get... Oh, yep, that's a nice one. Rope flip. Yeah, baby. Thank you. Look how fat he is. Like a little football.
It's a good fish. Good fish.
That's a keeper too. I cast up under it in between them docks right there.
That's a good cast.
Yeah, baby. I wish I'd bring a cooler. Because that'd have been 2 fish. All right. Nice little football. Fat too. That's what I'm talking about. I wish I'd stop hitting the daggone pedal. Yeah, baby. Uh-oh. God!
Maybe he's a little one.
I seen him come out. He was a little small one.
Yeah.
That's it. As good as this looks, there should... Oh, good what a cast.
Good one, too. He's got knocked out his second one.
Look at him.
That's a good one.
Yeah, baby. I thought that size of that other one I missed.
Yeah.
I knew there was one there. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Man, I tell you what, we'd have been eating good.
That would have been 3 keepers.
Yep. Somebody's talking 100 mile an hour. Look at him. Big one? That's a nice one. Keep him down. Keep it. Oh my God. Dad, don't break your line. Don't break your line. Don't break your line. Catfish.
Oh my goodness.
Hooked him in the gut.
He must have swam right over top of it. Get your pliers. You got pliers?
No. I forgot them. All right. Show into the camera. There you go. That's a good little cat. I thought it was a big bass.
I did too. That's crazy.
All right, guys. So we made it back to the house. Today we had a good time. I think we ended up catching 6 bass, 1 catfish. And then in total, I think we ended up missing, 4 or 5 that we had hooked into, or got bites rather, and with those it would have been 12 fish if we would have caught those. But we had a fairly good day. We guesstimating around 55, 60 degree water temperatures. It was fairly warm today. I think the high was 70 degrees. So we had a really good time today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please, you already know, make sure to hit the like button, smash the subscribe, and we'll be seeing you guys next time on Gimme Sports.